guys, came cho. So this is the fifth tutorial of our Lightning Web component series. So in this tutorial we are going to learn the DOM element condition. So how we can apply the condition of the DOM element. So I already created one Lightning Web component which follow the DOM condition. So you can see here the one Lightning Web component title is the share information. Here you can provide some other element. At the last I ask the users to one question: you want to share your contact information with us? So if the users want to share their contact information, so then it check this input box. So here the one input field, and in this input field users can enter their email ID and send it to us. So this is the Lightning Web component. So how it can be implemented, so let's get started. So I'm in my LWC project, and in this project let's create Lightning Web component. So let's quickly create one Lightning Web component, name as a DOM condition, and let's start. And first of all edit our HTML file. So I put one lightning card over here, and title should be share information, and one more attribute provide here is called icon, and the icon name, so custom icon, and in the custom icon custom one. So don't worry about that. In the next video we are going to talk about the Salesforce design system and how the classes are like SLDS margin, update size, margin, padding, size, and custom icon. All the things we are going to talk about in the next video. So here just focus on our topic is DOM condition. So in the lightning card I provide one div here. We just write your other elements is here. Here I also put one lightning input field which is the checkbox. So quickly, and the label is look like this, and then we provide on change event, and in the on change event pass one change handler, and okay, that's it. Our lightning input field is done. So now apply one condition. If the lightning input field is checked, then we show our email field to user. So using this email field user can enter their email ID and send it to us. And if the users not want to share their personal information, so we not show our input field to users. So our Lightning Web component is look like pretty simple. So to pass condition we have to apply one field called as a template. This is the mandatory field for the applying the condition. So if true, and here pass one variable, and this variable have value true or false. So in the JS file we retrieve the value of so. If the value of so is the true, then we show our lightning component which is the within is template element. So now let's put our input field which take email and also make one button for sending email. So for designing purpose I put both in div. So that's it. Our lightning input field and button is also ready. So now define the so when the users not put any information in the lightning web component, then the by default show value is false. So let's go to quickly JS file and put our value, and default is so. And now define our change handler. So event, and in the event, so in the change handler, when users change in their input box, that means user want to share their contact information with us, that time we need to true this condition so user can enter their email address. So for that we need true this value. When the input field is checked, that means the user want to share their information, so the value of the show is true, and value of show is true, that time our lightning input and lightning button is show to the users. So using that, user can share their email ID to us. And here we place one placeholder also, so user can understand what I enter over here. So abc@xyz.com. So user can understand here I enter email ID. Now it's time to metadata file. So here make it as, and I also copy the target and I paste it over here. So our lightning web component is done. So it's time to deploy our lightning web component to source to org, and let's check. So you can see our lightning web component is successfully deployed on source on org. And now edit our page and bring our lightning component into the home page. So okay, you can see DOM condition is here, and drag it and paste it over here. Okay, and save the page and back. So you can see our lightning web component is here and your other element is here. And now I check this button, so you can see our email ID input box and send button is also here, so user can enter their email ID and send to us. So this is the DOM condition. You can apply this condition in the based on your logic. So this is the DOM condition, and so that's it for today, and we will meet again in the next video with another lightning web component. So goodbye.